Hello and welcome to the beautiful Peak District. So I've got one night here, it's a Thursday night, it's a school night, so I've decided to come out here, play a bit of radio, and I thought, why don't I try and get on 10 metres for the first time this year. Got a couple of antennas to set up and try out on the 705 and see if we can make a contact on 10. This is the setup tonight in the Land Cruiser. I've just put up the awning. But that's going to be my bed for tonight. I bought a memory foam mattress. You can get it cut to an exact size, so I just got it cut and I fitted a board underneath here, so the board just sits on top of these two overland boxes, and there's a board that goes across, and then that allows the bed to sit nice and firm, so that works really well. I've got my new cooler box. So this is a Dometic cooler with all my bits and bobs in for tonight. So I brought with me, it's almost like permanent inside the vehicle, I brought the DX Commander 10 metre pole. I think this T2LT design, there's two of them here. So I've got, I think this is a 5/8 wave on 10. This might be 5/8 wave on 11 though, so I need to get the analyzer on, because I think both of these were originally made for 11 metres. I've not tried 11 metres for a year or two now, but I think at the weekends when you have the single sideband contests, single sideband nets on 11 metres, they are fun to join, like Delta Romeo ones. I think there's is it Alpha, I can't remember what they are, but I think it's a Delta Romeo one. But they are very good, some very good operators. 11 metres can be a bit chaotic though on the calling frequency, so I never really bothered with that. So I've got these, I've not used them for a couple of years. So I'll get these opened up because I'm struggling here with the tape. I'll get the pole out and then we'll strap the 5/8 wave onto the pole and plug the radio in, and then we'll see what we can hear. Just got a short lead just to plug into this. So in theory this should be in tune around 11 meters. If it is, then I'm hoping to find a way of shortening both halves, because the way that the T2LT works, it sort of splits the shield and the inner core past the choke thing, so therefore it acts, I think, a bit like I'm assuming it acts a bit like a dipole, two legs. So if I can put a fold in the top and a fold after the, on the shieldy bit of the two legs, then in theory shorten the antenna will lift the frequency up to 28. So if I put 27555 in there, and it's 4.6, so it's 4.6 even at this frequency. I don't know if the building and the vehicle are playing up, but 4.6 on 27.555 doesn't sound right at all. This antenna, which I can't remember the make of it now because it's all faded, it's not even resonant anywhere on the 11 meter band, and it might be because of the style of the antenna, because I'm parked with the vehicle and this building next to me. It might be making this particular antenna not usable, or there's something that's gone funky with this, but I really can't see that because mechanically it doesn't do much. So answers on the postcard about that one, but I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to put this other one on. It's a smaller T2LT for 11 meters, which I'll have to fold down. See if that works. Right, slightly annoying in the fact that I didn't have a long enough piece of coax with PL259s on, because this antenna is higher up the mast, and I didn't have enough, because I've only got a BNC to BNC coax with me. Don't ask me why. That's the only feed line I've got of any length, and I just couldn't convert the BNCs to PL259s to go into the antenna tuner. So I'm going to try and do this using the SWR meter on that. It's like Ghostbusters, isn't it? So we'll try that. Specs on. Okay, that's not so bad. That means that because it was getting a low SWR, the closer we got to 11 meters, it means it is cut for 11 meters. So I'm going to fold a little bit, put it back up, and then we'll do the same again. Hopefully we'll have a guess and we'll see if we can bring the SWR down to a decent level. Right, I've got to admit I'm giving up on those T2LTs because they will not tune in. I've just shortened that one, but the SWR is, when I'm repeating the SWR measurements on the same parts of the band, the SWR is up and down, so there's something not right for 10 meters vertical with this space that I've got here next to this building. So I'm going to try and use this. This was a gift from Radio Stuff. I think it's Radio Stuff. Might be .co.uk, might be .com. I'll put a link in below. This is from Chris, who also gifted me the other end-fed antenna, which you've seen in the previous video. That is an excellent, for me, it's an excellent antenna. I can get it up in the air and within a matter of minutes and make contacts. For me, I'm dead happy with that. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll get this. We'll use this and see what we get, how far we get. Right. I thought I was making a pig's ear of it, but this is in tune on 10 meters, so it's about 1.5, 1.6 to 1 on 10 meters. I'll just do the test on here. I'm hoping that because the wire now is away from the building and it's a different type of RF pattern that comes out of this type of antenna. I'm hoping that is enough of a change that I'm not going to get reflections between the wall and the vehicle. So this is the test. Lovely jubbly. So that's pretty good. Let me just try a bit higher up. Yeah, that's perfect, that is. Okay, we're on.
Charlie Victor Zulu, bye. Alpha 80 Charlie Victor Zulu, secure calling on 10 meter band. The island of La Palma in the Canary Islands. QRCDX.
Yeah, Mike 0, Sierra Zulu Tango.
Number 9, come again please.
There's a few stations coming through. There's a few stations coming through. There's a few coming through, but they fade really quickly. So the conditions are very disturbed. So the conditions are very unstable at the moment on 10. I'm getting hungry though as well, so I might have a tidy up, get some food on the go, and then maybe move inside to get out of this wind. Yeah, we'll get some food down.
Yes, so you're getting later as well. You're coming up to 5859 also. Alles klar, bitte Conteste, ja. Viel Spaß beim nächsten Conteste und vielleicht über die Wochenende. Ja, alles Gute und the band's making, as you said, maybe 40 meters. Charlie 25 Delta Sierra Quebec. From Mike 0 Zulu, November Kilo. Have a great weekend, my friend. 7 trees. Oh, Charlie 2. Confirmation. Good night, America. This is Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango. 4x4. 4x4.
Yeah, thank you very much. You are 5x2, 5x2. The name is Carl, Charlie, Alpha, Romeo, Lima. Portable station on 10 watts QSL.
Roger, for QRP 10 watt, I copy you with your 10 watt. And I'm not sure, you give me 52, Roger?
Yeah, Roger, thank you very much. I'm currently out camping tonight, so I've got a small antenna on a fishing pole at QSL.
Station Mike, Italy Delta Whiskey Echo, maybe 59.
Right, I'm in the vehicle. I've had a change round of camp because the wind was blowing in and it was quite chilly, so there might be some poor light here. I don't know if that's going to be any good or not. Well, I've made a contact on 10 meters. There are stations coming in and fading really quickly, so there might be during the evening some really exotic stations coming in and then fading out again. So it's going to be a case of just, I think rather than, I'm in two minds whether to sit on one frequency and just call CQ, or just scan up and down the band and just follow follow my eyes a little bit. I might do a bit of both. In fact, yeah, I'll do a bit of both and see if I get any joy with the two different techniques. Right. CQ calling. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango. Calling CQ. Over. CQ. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango. Calling CQ. I didn't get any joy from. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't get any joy from calling CQ. Using the audio recorder on here, I let it run for about 15-20 minutes, and nothing came back. I missed 10 watt. I'm using 10 watts, and to this end-fed, really lightweight end-fed. It is probably built for backpack portable. The length of wire that Chris sent with it tunes in very nice on 10 meters. I'll try it on 20 as well in a minute and see if that tunes in. Yeah, 20. And then let's go to, I don't think this is going to work. Nope. It's 21. Nope. Nope. Right. 6. Ooh. Right, let's check out this. What's this? So this arrangement is actually quite comfortable. I've got a nice comfortable seat. I can operate the radio just where the camera is here. I may be able to, I can even maybe move the radio around and have a computer there so I could work in this small space. Because the idea is really, I've got a really confined space, so I need to be able to have the kitchen area, sleeping area, radio playing area. So the front at the moment, that's where the cooler box is, and that's just all my sleeping gear and some spare bits and bobs. But it leaves enough room here just to sit out of the wind because it's getting a bit chilly.
Zulu America.
Oscar Mike 0 Sugar again.
Thank you. 5 and 7, 5 and 7.
20 meters is absolutely buzzing.
Not very strong. My name is Lajos Lima.
Kilo. India W3, India Bravo Kilo, India Washington 3, India.
Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango Portable. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango Portable. Is he working on the beam? Spin the beam.
Mark Alpha Kilo. What is the missing letter? The missing letter only. Go ahead. Roger, Roger, Andy. Wonderful signal near the city of Tel Aviv. The name
Started to lose some light, but some of these signals are coming in a bit stronger, so I'm hoping to get at least one more contact in, and then I'll start making the bed up. Like I say, it's a school night, so not a late night tonight.
Thank you very much. 100 watts and 311.
I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it coming out after work. Very simple. No major time wasted setting up the antenna. Mike 0 Sierra Zulu Tango Portable. Alright, I'll leave that a minute. So, yeah, really enjoyed coming out tonight. Very simple overnighter. Just chuck everything to the back of the vehicle. Chucked a few antennas in. Two of them, the two T2 LTs have not worked. Like I say, it might be just because I'm next to this building on the other side of the camera there. But the MFED seems to be working okay. I'm only on 10 watts, so I'm not after miracles here. Tea was nice, so all in all, it was a nice peaceful evening out. I just want to say thank you for those of you who watch all the videos, and I know there's a number of you now that are very loyal and tend to watch all the videos, and there's quite a mix that I put out. Some are overnighters with all the camera work and less ham radio. Some of them are more ham radio and less of the surroundings, but you seem to sort of come along and give me support on them, so thank you very much. And I hope to continue getting at least one video a week out. During the summertime it is a bit more difficult in that weekends are taken up with the family as well, so where I can I'll try and get out at least once a week, do a bit of outdoors, playing with toys outdoors, a bit of ham radio, a bit of drone flying, all that kind of stuff. But thank you for supporting me on the channel so far. So I think I'm going to call that a night, and I have enjoyed this one and look forward to the next video, so bye bye for now.